Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Valentine's Day splatter screen wreath. For this wreath, you're going to need one kissing booth sign from Dollar Tree, and I thought that was so cute. You're going to need some floral picks from Dollar Tree, and I picked up the little heart glitter pick and these two roses from Dollar Tree. I did not use the sequin hearts. I thought they were so pretty and so cute, and I thought about hot gluing some on, but I ended up not using these, but I think they would be cute on lots of different DIYs for Valentine's Day. You're going to need a felt heart. This is actually a felt placemat from TJ Maxx, and you're going to need a splatter screen, and you'll want to remove the knob, and you might want to spray paint it red first. Then you're going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow. You're going to need, oh, there's my little helper, Parker. My son removed the knob on the splatter screen. You'll also need some zip ties, and you're going to need some floral wire, and I am just using 20 gauge floral wire for the splatter screen wreath. Next, you're going to take your flowers and just fluff them. So I'm laying down the pink roses first, so I just 2 of the pink roses and then 1 of the glitter hearts, so 3 of the Valentine's Day picks total from Dollar Tree. So just fluff them as you go, and then you're going to want to take a zip tie and wrap it nice and tight around your little bouquet. Sorry, my voice sounds so horrible. I have been sick with a cold, so that's why I have not posted in about a week. So just make sure you get your zip tie nice and tight around your little bouquet. And then I just took a piece of floral wire and I cut it into thirds, and we're going to be using the wire to wire our placemat onto our splatter screen. So just place it, center it up over your splatter screen, and then just wire it on. Make sure you choose a placemat or a felt heart that has holes in it so you can thread your wires through. Next, you're going to want to place your little bouquet in the center of your heart placemat, and you're going to go above your zip tie and just wire your little bouquet on. So thread it through the placemat, through the splatter screen. Make sure you get that wire nice and over the top of your bouquet, and then go to the back and give the wires a few twists and cut them off short and fold them down. Then you'll want to add a second wire to the top so that the flowers do not flip forward or move anything. So 2 wires to hold the bouquet on. After you have your flowers attached, it's time to tie a big bow now. make sure you dovetail the ends and then fluff the loops on your bow. And then you're going to take the wires from your bow and you're just going to go above your zip tie and thread the wires through, and then go the back and give them a few twists. Now I did use the wires from the bow to attach my sign onto the wreath. Now there's lots of different ways to attach your sign, but my question is, do you think I need to make the sign hang down lower so that it shows a little bit more, or do you think it's okay like it is? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and I hope y'all have a wonderful week.